So hi guys, I am Deepak and today in this video I will be unboxing and giving a quick hands-on review of the TVS Gold E-Bharat mechanical keyboard, which you can easily buy for a price of around 2500 rupees. On the box we can read some of the specifications of the keyboard, like it comes with 1 year warranty. It supports almost all operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux, Unix, etc. It comes with mechanical keys which have longer life, around 50 million keystroke, and a lot more. So taking it out of the box, we can have a look at the keyboard. The clicks on the keyboard feels really nice, and this is because the keyboard uses Cherry MX Blue keys. The keyboard is completely made out of plastic, which is the standard for the keyboards at this price point. On the back we have the flips for adjusting the heights of the keyboard. The keyboard looks and feels pretty nice while typing. And this one is made essentially for programmers who have to spend more time on keyboard typing some of the stuff. If you want to read the complete review of the keyboard, then click the link in the description and check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next.